guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can create unlimited logos for your blog or websites. So guys, creating a logo is a different task. Really you need time and mind. You need to ponder over about how to create logo, what they want to give, and how to create your logo best attractive. So you don't need to think like this about so many things, and you can create your logo in just a click, in just uh, this one. So let's start to tell you how you can do this. So guys, you have to open this app on Play Store. You will find maybe you are thinking then why this app. You may also know about this app. This thing doesn't belong to creating logo, but the magical trick is need to be told to you. So you need to install it and open it, and now I'm going to show you the magic. You can create unlimited logos here. If it's your profession, then you can create professional logos with the help of this app. So guys, this is a business app. If you want to resell here, you can also resell, but now we are talking about creating logo. So guys, this is the app homepage dashboard. You need to create your account here as a seller and reseller. You need to join here as a business to resell and earn money. So it doesn't matter that you do this work or not, but you definitely can create logo to earn money or to use on the websites. So create your account, login, and you will find in the bottom section you're watching, I'm highlighting account section. Go here, account section, and you will find here business logo. Okay, so you can create here logo of whatever is your brand, like this one. This is my logo, and I am going to create here new logo for my another website that belongs to news. Yeah, that is news website. The name is Axa News, and I am going to type here Axa News. Okay, Axa News, and now clicking on generate. So guys, in this way you can type your business name and create or generate button, and choose here the logo that you find appropriate. So different of logos here to choose between. So very pretty logos and unlimited logos, unlimited. This is generator, logo generator, so you can find unlimited. So this the thing belongs to news, so I am clicking here Action is this one. I think this is good. Clicking on continue. So you are watching here, this is the logo. So you want to change your color, you can, and want to change font, you can definitely do, but I'm not going to do here. You can confirm your logo if you like it, or you can also take a screenshot if you want, like this. So guys, really I have never thought that creating logo is so much easy with the help of this logo generator. Axa News, very pretty. It's like a professional logo, not like, sorry, it's a professional logo. So Axa News, and now if you are going to use it on Blogger, so make sure you resize it, like I am going to resize it, because Blogger allows only image for logo under 100 KB. So uh, click on choose any photo resizer, like I have installed. You can also install on Play Store, and select here the logo that you have took a screenshot, and going to resize it, resize within height custom, and because Blogger needs a square, so I am going to uh, resize it by in 250 by 250. And by the way of crop and stretching, so this is stretching is not good here, so I'm going to change here again 200 by 200 or 180, sorry, 180 by 180. I think not bad. To 180 I think is okay. And this is the
खाने
logo.
से ज्यादा तो दवाइयाँ खाते हैं.
So guys, I hope you have loved the trick I have told you. I really definitely loved it. So I hope that you would love it more than me, because definitely it's a known thing to me, but it was unknown to you. So you will definitely going to be happy a lot by knowing this. And so guys, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.